Solana, especially going into a bull market and Solana being that cheap and user-friendly, retail investors will be onboarded through Solana. And obviously that will drive TVL, that will drive price, and therefore it will continue to eat into Ethereum's market share, especially in the short term. All right, let's go to our last prediction for today, obviously. We also wanted to highlight one of the most exciting subsectors, and this is going to be decentralized finance. DeFi has been around for many years now. The crypto market goes through cycles, through a lot of ups and downs, a lot of ice cold bear markets, but very euphoric highs as well. However, DeFi has always been there. Like DeFi has always been working. DeFi has been chugging along. It's really one of the most robust subsectors of crypto and one of the most important ones. The only problem it always had is the tokens. So you might have heard about decentralized exchanges like Uniswap or lending and borrowing protocols like Aave. While the technology is amazing, the token, it was hard to make an investment case because all they're governance tokens, which means you receive voting rights. They yield you a right to vote on any changes to the protocol. However, there was no value accrual, no yield whatsoever. But we think this is going to change in 2025. Giving the potential regulatory clarity in the US and in other jurisdictions, we believe that a lot of these protocols, they will remodel some of their token economics to make them more attractive. The best example would be something like a fee switch. If we take a decentralized exchange as an example, if you hold the token, let's take Uni as an example, you don't accrue any value. However, with a fee switch, all the transactions that are being generated on top of that application, some of that will yield back to the token holders. And that's obviously big because now the governance tokens are transforming into utility tokens, yield generating tokens, and that completely changes the investment case for those DeFi applications. And yeah, that's why I think in 2025, we will see a lot of exciting fundamental announcements. A lot of these DeFi protocols will implement something like a fee switch or any other technique to reward token holders. And that obviously will attract a lot of new investors and liquidity, which obviously benefits the entire ecosystem. So watch out for DeFi in 2025.